Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost 2 to a 2018 Kia Sportage. This product's very straightforward. Customer's a bit worried about someone cloning his keys or taking his keys from his house. So now what we do once the Ghost has been fitted, I'll show you how it's immobilised. So ignition on, main ignition on, foot on the brake, try and start it, the vehicle won't start. Okay? So standard procedure now is main ignition on, insert your code. Here we've selected the AC and the steering wheel heater control. So 4 pushes from here, 2 pushes from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Double flash from the full beam. Code is correct. Foot on the brake, start vehicle. Very straightforward. This also has a facility placed into valet mode. So if you took the car for a service or a car wash, you could put the Ghost to sleep temporarily so you don't have to disclose the code. The way you do that is turn the ignition on, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, double flash from full beam, which we've received. And now the valet button is the AC button, so we push this 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get 5 flashes from the full beam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now in valet mode and it will act like a normal car. So we can start the car as many times we want without inserting the code. To take out of valet mode, ignition on, insert the code, or if someone takes it for a drive and they exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes, which they shouldn't do on a service and a valet, it will jump out of valet mode and go back to Ghost mode, and once they turn off the ignition, the only person that will be able to start it is the customer. So now it's in valet mode, so foot on the brake, vehicle starts straightforward, no problem at all. I'll show you how to take it out of valet mode. Same as inserting the code, straightforward. So ignition on, main ignition on, insert your code, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, double flash from the full beam, there you go. Start vehicle. Now once I turn the ignition off, it will then go back into Ghost mode. So in other words, you won't be able to start it until you insert the code. So I'll show you that now. So ignition on, main ignition on, put your foot on the brake, vehicle doesn't start, there you go. Hope you found this video useful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.